Driving to Denver right now to pick up Kristen, and then we'll head west over to the Devils Punchbowls. Gonna camp out, I think tonight, and then we'll do the trail early in the morning.
Here we go. That's what I said. I'm just not cool enough for you. Good morning.
Kristen's making coffee with a little grinder and our jet bowl.
We're kind of snobs, so we like to do the French press.
So I don't know if I told you this, but I recently bought a yacht. It's a land yacht. Got here pretty late last night, so that's why I didn't film anything last night. We were here like 10 o'clock at night, but the Devils Punchbowls are right out that way.
So we forgot to air down the tires before we took off. So, what you doing, buddy? And I'm checking out this waterfall. In the middle of the road, and it's kind of like a choose your own adventure option because going to the right you're really close to the edge and falling into the water, but going kind of straight to the left is a little safer. But we're gonna check it out. Just safe and sound. We're making it! Look at him out there. I don't know if you can see him, but Oren's taking some pictures. Wild. I thought you were gonna.
Pretty cool.
I thought you were gonna fall off the edge.
It's like one of those things where you gotta know what your vehicle's kind of capable of.
Yeah.
Because if you know it, you know that you're good. You know, I'm like, hey, I know I'm good on my left, I'm good on my right. I've been doing this for a while. I know what this vehicle I know where my tires are at.
Vehicle traffic is discouraged. No vehicles. 4x4 with experienced drivers only. Narrow wheelbase.
I don't think I have a narrow wheelbase. But we did it. Right? We did it. We made it.
We're making it.
This is the old town of Crystal. I think people actually live here. Some of these places look pretty lived-in. Cool. Little community.
Here we are at Crystal Mill. It's an old mill that would provide energy for the local little western town. Hey, Ori.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's pretty. Shows the grit of the western explorers.
Yeah, the grit.
The grit, the tenacity, and the drive. I think Lily is happy to finally be off of the rough trails.